I'm back from Atlanta. I'm doing my sixth video after meeting with Josh Scandlen and learning about videos in YouTube and education. And I just realized it's so important to educate folks because it's not all about me getting more clients. When I have this information that's easily offered through a video to help a lot of people, it frees me up to help the people that I've already committed to. So I'm really excited about these videos, and today's video is about car insurance. What can you do on a tight budget? And so many videos are how do you get cheaper insurance? And what happens is there isn't enough understanding by the person shopping that they give away important aspects of their insurance that really help their family if they're in a serious accident. And so Josh gave me a book. It's called Strategic Money Planning, and it's easy ways to put your house in order. So I've been going through it, and there's a section in here about, well, there's several different good sections in here, but one of those things is just kind of figuring out the idea that debt is an enemy and trying to use what you have and not to go into debt. So with that said, I have a current client who has the bare minimum of insurance, and she didn't have underinsured. And we've been talking about if you're injured by someone who doesn't have enough insurance, your insurance coverage could possibly help you. And in this case, the person had $25,000 per person liability, $50,000 total per accident. And her and her spouse are paying together a total of about $130 a month for the bare minimums in the state of Missouri. And so I asked my independent insurance agent, who I actually use and respect. He sells several different companies, Progressive, Safe Auto, State Auto. He's there's a huge list. So yes, he gets a fee from each one, but he doesn't sell only for one carrier. So he shops around. He tries to help people get good insurance and stay within their budget. So what we did was we said, okay, let's up the coverage, double it, 50, 100, which would allow them in the state of Missouri to get the underinsurance. So we priced it out, and in this case, we went through Progressive, and he priced it out for them to be $166 a month if they paid 6-month premiums in advance, which would be roughly $2,074. So $130 versus $166 for double the coverage. So the question is, can you afford $166 a month? This is better coverage. Can you afford $30 more a month? It protects you, your family, your children, and also gave the person $1,000 MedPay coverage, which is basically you're in an accident, and if you have bills over $1,000, if you don't have health insurance, you can use it to pay your bills. If you have health insurance or other insurance, you can use the money to live on while you recover. And certainly if you miss time from work and you don't have the sick days or you don't have the comp time, then it would help you get through that tough time until you get onto your feet. So basically we're going to hopefully do a video together about what it means to protect your retirement plan. And one of those ways to protect your retirement plan is to get good auto insurance that protects you in the event that you have a serious injury and substantial medical bills. And mainly your bills, if you have health insurance, will get covered. It's the lost time, you're not on the job, so there's no compensation for you not being able to work. And if you don't have a lot of sick time built up, and you can't miss time from work, then you could have a bunch of bills come in and not have any wages to pay for them. So we really want to encourage you to look into at least going up from the bare minimums, but we recommend way more than that, and that's something a certified financial planner can discuss with you, looking at what assets you have, your children, your family, what kind of income, what kind of standard of living do you want to protect, and that's what insurance does for you. So that's something that you would talk to your independent insurance agent about. And we had some comments on his video where I was thankful from the independent agent from Kentucky who affirmed a lot of what we were saying and recommending what we're recommending. So we're asking you the keyword independent agent, and then shopping the different coverages to find out a price that works and a coverage that includes underinsurance and absolutely uninsurance, because that's when someone hits you with no insurance. And then the question is, what kind of liability coverage do you want? So get to know what each kind of coverage does and what it covers, and the medical payments is the last thing that helps you for medical bills. Or there's also sometimes on a policy there's a loss of income provision where you could get compensated through your auto insurance for missing time from work. So there's lots of different coverages. We're just recommending you to think about it. If you're thinking about retirement and protecting your retirement plan, this is part of that process. So thanks so much for listening. I hope you subscribe. I hope you hit the bell so that when we do another video that you will get notified. And please like the video. And if you have any comments, please comment. I'll be happy to respond. And I'm excited about referring you to other people who could give you some information and might help you and educate you. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video.